Alright, I'm back. My trigger piece turned up a little bit early. Didn't have to wait 2 weeks. It only took about 3 days, so that's really good. Alright, so let's see if we can put this on. That's it there. So that's it there. Yay! Alright. Okay, I've got my super duper fuel injected twin turbo overhead cam drill screwdriver removally thing. So we're going to see if we can pull this mechanism apart. Screws are already, there you go, already done. Okay, let's see if we can get this out. There's the spring. Alright, so this is what we've got out. Just to make sure. It's a different type of lever. Oh shit. It is a different type of lever. Bring it forward. So, I'm not 100% sure if this, where's that other piece gone? Okay, I've goofed. I've taken out the top part of the lever, which I didn't have to. Alright, I've got to try and put that back now. That won't go that way. So, I don't know. Okay, let's get a closer look. It does move it, and I think that's all it's supposed to do, so we will leave it. And now we're going to try and put this back in. Now that also has a, I don't know if that, how that goes on. Yeah. There's here. See the cable at the round end, and that goes on to this section here. So we'll put that in. I think that spring, oh yes, this spring goes in there. Now for the next part, get that stupid, look, it's this one. Obviously it doesn't go like that. There's something else going on. Something else going on. I don't know what. I'm assuming that goes right around. But that's stuck. You can see it there. It's no good. It still doesn't work. That just doesn't work at all. What am I doing? Alright, I think I might be on to this, maybe. Put that. Oh, freaking hell. This is ridiculous, man. This is pissing me off. I don't really know what I'm doing here. Okay, I've just done a quick YouTube video on how to replace these stinking things. Oh, it's really simple, they say. Oh yeah, it'll take you 10 minutes, they say. Not. Alright, so this is what I saw. So that just goes like that. Alright, so got that. Too full, you mongrel. think that... I don't know where the other one is. Oh, so... Yay! That looks like a worker. I was putting it through that hole. But no, it just goes over like that and it hooks onto that little corner. See that there's a little corner there, and it just hooks onto there like that and it stays there. Alright, try. And then that just goes into the slots. Bring that around like that. And it's hooked up. Alright, so that top lever is that top lever is like a brake. So you can't use that, so that just releases it. See how well that works? So why doesn't it work now? Let's try again. Just work it all in there. And slots in on there. Right. Nice. Okay, I think we're done. What was it, that long one? I don't know. Let's try that. Oh yeah. Very frustrating. I have no idea where this short one goes. So go in there. It's not from. Gosh. Oh. Oh, I don't know. Okay, so that's... so this one, but I don't know. What happens with that? Unless that's... Okay, I've got it now. I've worked it out. In there first. Close it up. Make sure that's working. Close it up, and then you screw. Bring that forward a bit. Oh. Where does that not want to go? There we go. That should be a way. Yeah, I just got one more to put in. That goes into the slot. And we're done. Right. Now, I'm just going to go get a big screwdriver. Okay, just wanted to make sure I did these by hand. Requires a small screwdriver or a flat. Just so they don't vibrate out. This thing here has to go down into that hole. It's hard on my feet. Okay, I've done the same again with this one. I've just taken, let's see if we can see that. Just took a little bit of that roundness off, and I was able to poke that into that hole a lot easier. I don't know if you can see that. See where it is. Just trying to find it. Oh, okay. There, you can see it. See it there. So it seemed to go in a lot easier with that little edge off it. There we go. Straight in. No worries. Alright, I'm going to give this a cracking. See if we can get this one started up. That's right. Oh, so I have filled. Welcome to the reality world. Well, I can tell you that was hard a mission when you're doing it the wrong way. It was all about that spring. I just didn't know where that spring went. So that's why I go to the YouTube channels. That helped me out a lot. So anyway, that's my second whippersnipper up and running. Got my ride-on mower going under there. So anyway, that was successful, so we'll leave Daryl's homework for now. We'll come back with another mission. I'm sure there'll be something just around the corner. Alright, bye for now.